Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram black screen Samsung. To know how to fix Instagram black screen Samsung, you should just go to settings. As you see, we will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps here, and when you will find this list you will go down to find the application of Instagram. As you see, you will find it here, and then in this page you will go to force stop. When you will click for stop, you will go to click storage here. After that, when you will find this page, you will go to click clear cache, and then you will click clear data here. And after that, after all that, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.